Hi class. This week, your fifth week, you are going to get started actually writing and editing, which I know is a shocking thing for a class with the title that includes the word writing. But you're going to have to get started this week, and I know that can be a daunting thing to write and also share your writing with other people, but this is super important. Being able to share your writing and receive constructive criticism in a productive way, in a way that doesn't shut you down, is probably the biggest hurdle, I think, for a lot of beginning writers, but it's also the best way to quickly improve your writing. If you get used to this, if you get over that hump of being afraid to get feedback and afraid for other people to see your writing's just going to expand. So hopefully this week we're going to do it in a way that is not super scary. So let me go over what you're going to do this week. First, you're going to have a lesson based off of the chapter that you're going to be reading about, which is about digital editing. Watch all the videos. You're also going to have a quiz based off of that reading. If anyone's still having trouble finding the book, please let me know. You're then going to have a second lesson in which I basically go through the process of drafting a professional email. So I want you to hold off on contacting your media practitioners for your interviewing a media practitioner assignment just for right now, because I want you to watch that video in which I go through basically how I would draft an email if I was doing this assignment to someone who's a media practitioner. There's also a list of some, basic fundamental things that you need to have in a professional email. Then I want you to draft a professional email to your potential media practitioner, and you're going to post that in our discussion for this week. So this week's discussion is not going to happen on Flipgrid. It's not going to be a video discussion. You're actually going to do some writing. And what you're going to do is you're going to draft an email, a potential email to your media practitioner that you're going to reach out to, and you're going to post it on this discussion board. Then I want you to reply to your peers' drafts and give them some constructive feedback. Now remember that this is actually going to be a draft that you send out to actual people, so try to help people out. You're not doing them a favor if you're like, hey, great work, no problems here, and it's actually not that great. Give them real tips, help them out, because this email is the best way for them to get in touch with the people that they need to get in touch with to complete this assignment. So you're going to draft an email, post in discussion board. The points are going to work the same way. You're going to get 5 points for posting your draft, 4 points for replying to at least one of your peers and giving them feedback, and you're going to get full 10 points if you reply to more people than that. So, same rules apply, just with writing rather than video this week. If any of that is confusing, let me know. Also this week, I'm going to be emailing you to approve your media practitioners. So you will find out who you will be emailing and interviewing for this assignment. As always, feel free to get in touch with me. I love that people have been getting in touch with me in this class. Keep it coming. Keep the emails coming.